Just an update on this Cerakote plastic trim restore I'm trying out. I have to say so far I'm pretty impressed. I have just been wiping the panels down and they look so much better. You can see here on this one and partially complete. We've got restored plastic here, the original plastic there. You can really see the difference here. And it's very easy to apply. You just take one of these wipes that it comes with and you just start wiping it down. Much like if you were applying any type of cleaner. The claim that they make here is that this is much more of a permanent solution than something like Armor All or one of those other kind of plastic treatments that might last for a while, but not necessarily hold up over time. This actually comes with a 2-year guarantee, and it's pretty straightforward, pretty quick to be able to just sort of wipe it down like this and have this dramatic transformation. So just a quick update. I'm not done with all the panels, but I just wanted to kind of show you the product in action and just how you can see the huge difference as you start wiping. This just immediately starts to soak in and restore the plastic with very little effort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.